Welcome to this tutorial on how to perform a custom installation of Dataiku on a Linux server. In this video, we will focus solely on installing the design node. You may refer to the Dataiku high-level architecture video for more details about the various node types. This tutorial is applicable to both on-premise and cloud environments. If you prefer to use Dataiku without the hassle of setting up and managing a Linux server, you can use Dataiku Cloud, a software as a service option. If this is your preference, you can watch the video titled Jumpstart Your Journey with Dataiku Cloud and Snowflake. This tutorial assumes that you are doing a fresh installation, that your server has internet connectivity, and that you can SSH into your machine. Please check the Dataiku website for details on which Linux distributions are supported. In this installation tutorial, we use the following specifications for our design node. This will be an AWS EC2 instance. Specifically, we're running on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6. This is an M.5 2X large machine with 8 vCPU and 32 GB memory. Now, let's proceed with the installation.
Exciting news! Our new Dataiku course is launching soon on learndataiku.com. Click the link in the description to get all the details and pre-register.